In today's fast-paced world, the dream of achieving financial success at a young age is more attainable than ever before. Whether you're still in high school or just starting your journey into adulthood, there are key principles you can follow to set yourself on the path towards becoming a millionaire. We'll explore 7 principles tailored specifically for teenagers to help you unlock your full potential and build a prosperous future. Welcome to Business Tracy. Principle number 1 is start early and save consistently. The journey to millionaire status begins with a single step, and the earlier you take that step, the better. Start saving and investing your money as soon as possible, even if it's just a small amount each month. With the power of compound interest on your side, those early investments can grow into significant wealth over time. Number 2, invest in your education. Education is the key to unlocking opportunities and expanding your horizons. Make the most of your time in school by focusing on your studies, seeking out challenging courses, and pursuing extracurricular activities that align with your interests and goals. Consider investing in further education or vocational training to develop valuable skills that will serve you well in your future career endeavors. Number 3, develop multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income streams is like planting different seeds in a garden of financial growth. Instead of relying on just one tree for your fruit, why not cultivate an orchard? By nurturing multiple streams of income, you're not only safeguarding yourself against unexpected financial storms but also sowing the seeds for a bountiful harvest of wealth. Whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in stocks, or exploring the world of passive income, each avenue adds layers of resilience and opportunity to your financial landscape. So let's roll up our sleeves, get creative, and build a thriving ecosystem of income that blooms with possibilities. Number 4, invest wisely. Take the time to learn about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Start with small investments and gradually expand your portfolio as you gain experience and confidence. Diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize potential returns, and always do your research before making any investment decisions. Number 5, live below your means. Avoid the temptation to spend every dollar you earn. Practice frugality and live below your means by creating a budget, prioritizing your spending, and saving/investing the difference. By living modestly now, you can build a solid financial foundation for the future and accelerate your journey towards millionaire status. Embracing failure and learning from mistakes is an essential aspect of personal and professional growth. Instead of viewing failure as a setback, consider it as a valuable learning experience. When faced with challenges or setbacks, take the opportunity to reflect on what went wrong, analyze the factors that contributed to the outcome, and identify areas for improvement. By understanding the root causes of failure, you can develop strategies to overcome similar obstacles in the future. Moreover, failure fosters resilience and adaptability, key traits for success in any endeavor. Embracing failure as a natural part of the learning process allows you to bounce back stronger and more resilient. It enables you to develop a growth mindset, where setbacks are seen as opportunities for growth rather than reasons for defeat. By embracing failure and learning from mistakes, you not only enhance your skills and knowledge but also cultivate the resilience needed to thrive in the face of adversity. As you achieve success and accumulate wealth, it's essential to remember the significance of giving back to your community and those in need. Whether through charitable donations, volunteering your time, or supporting causes you believe in, giving back not only serves to uplift others but also brings a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose to your own life. By sharing your resources and lending a helping hand, you play a vital role in addressing social issues and fostering a more compassionate and equitable society. Moreover, the act of giving back strengthens the bonds of community and reinforces the interconnectedness of humanity, creating a ripple effect of kindness and generosity that reverberates far beyond individual action. Becoming a millionaire as a teenager may seem like a lofty goal, but with dedication, discipline, and a commitment to these 7 principles, it's entirely possible. Start early, invest wisely, and never stop learning and growing. By following these principles, you'll not only build wealth but also create a bright and prosperous future for yourself and those around you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started on the journey towards financial success together.